Hi, I'm Giani Julander. I'm the park manager here at Frontier Homestead State Park Museum. Frontier Homestead is a state park museum. We have a number of exhibits to highlight what life was like in Cedar City from about 1850 to about 1950. In front of our building, you'll see our icons, a railroad car representing tourism, a hay derrick representing farming, and a mining shovel representing our mining history. We have buildings brought in from different parts of the county. We have an extensive wagon collection, some restored wagons and some aged wagons. We have farming equipment, mining equipment, and a native heritage exhibit. We invite you to come to Frontier Homestead State Park Museum and also see everything else that Iron County has to offer.